The HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen10 is widely regarded as one of the most secure and versatile 2U servers ever built. While it has officially reached end of life, as of May 2024, it remains a primary choice for enterprise virtualization, database management, and high-performance computing in 2026 due to its balance of cost and power. Key specifications: processor, dual Intel Xeon Scalable 1st and 2nd Gen, up to 28 cores per CPU. Memory, 24 DIMM slots, up to 3 TB DDR4, 2,933 metric tons per second, or 6 TB with Intel Optane Persistent Memory. Storage, capacity up to 459 TB, modular bays for up to 30 SFF, 19 LFF, or 20 NVMe drives. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Expansion, up to 8 PCIe 3.0 slots, support for up to 3 double-wide or 5 single-wide GPUs. Security, HPE Silicon Root of Trust, ILO 5, for firmware protection and recovery. Management, HPE ILO 5, standard or advanced. Security leap, Gen 10 introduced the Silicon Root of Trust, which anchors the server's firmware security directly into the hardware. It can detect and recover from compromised firmware that traditional antivirus software would miss. Persistent memory, support for Intel Optane DC Persistent Memory allows for warm data to stay in the memory tier, dramatically speeding up database workloads like SQL Server or SAP HANA. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. End of service life. OSL official HPE support for Gen 10 typically lasts 5 years post-discontinuation, meaning most units will remain under official support until 2029. The Plus variant, note that there is a Gen 10 Plus model. That version supports 3rd Gen Intel Xeon, Ice Lake, and PCIe 4.0, making it significantly faster for NVMe storage in modern GPUs than the standard Gen 10. Enterprise Hybrid Cloud, still a top-tier choice for running VMware vSphere 8.x or Microsoft Azure Stack HCI. GPU-heavy VDI, because of the high GPU density, up to 5 accelerators, it's excellent for virtual desktops or AI inference. High-density storage, the ability to mix SAS, SATA, and NVMe in the same chassis makes it perfect for tiered software-defined storage, SDS. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.